There is a train to the east and a train to the west at the central station. It takes 2 hours to the west and 3 hours to the east. But there are always 2 trains coming into the station exactly at the same time every 15 minutes. We're breaking up to meet again.
But we don't meet on the same track anyway. Speaking of a meeting, let's see which train will meet more people. You can go any way you want. Let's make a bet with this.
Choose to meet actually one of the a half time more than you do. But remember, we'll only count people on the way. You shouldn't count those who arrive with the people who leave together. I've never traveled alone. No one will help me when I get off. It doesn't matter.
The train stopped for only a second and we had to rush into this train at that moment. 2 trains rushed into the station.
I said one at him. I don't know if he counted me. I shouldn't to myself. I won. But was it? This is also unknown. He came back and asked me,
Why did you take that route?
I took extreme route when I wasn't sure, but it doesn't always succeed. The opposite could be a success. I'm not sure. I think people don't seem to know the opposite meaning. Is it really the opposite of thinking upside down? I applied this bet to rabbit and turtles. I didn't think there were as many rabbits on my train as the turtle, so I assumed an extreme case. There is one rabbit and there are countless turtles. Can you write down the travel expense what we spend?
Isn't your memory wide enough to remember a single lunch record?
Not wide enough, not even half that.
Put your thoughts in order of time.
What an amazing consequence. We're waiting for at the same station at the same time on the same day. I shook hands with him in a sob. He stirred away the next moment. He couldn't have waited a little longer until he saw me off. He didn't even have to start whistling just at the point of breaking up with me. But without time to think about him, I had to get on the train. He gave me his Mino pad. I tried to put my thoughts, but it didn't work.